what's good with it, man? You hear me? You know what I'm talking about, man? Your boy back with another video, man. I'm back with another, you know, you can tell by the title, man. You feel me? I'm back with another installment. You spare me? You know what I'm saying? Man, Happy New Year, man. Let's clap it up. Happy New Year, man. January the 1st, 2025, you know what I'm saying, man. More peace, more prosperity, more progress, more blessings, more money, more spiritual growth, mental growth, physical growth, man, all that good stuff, man, you know. I'm pushing all that in 2025, man, you feel me? On being more consistent on the video, on being more active on the tool, you feel me? And hopefully this year I feel like this year gonna be the blow up year for everybody, you hear me? For everybody. I feel like everybody's just gonna go up out there, man. It's gonna be a long journey, you feel me? They 1 out of 365, you know. And on that slab, man, I be bored of head on the slab, so I'm just finna spam these videos, y'all laugh for real. But yo, though, man, right now I'm in Texas. I'm in Texas right now. I gotta go to Kansas City. I gotta go to Missouri part though. So I'm on the way to that right now though. But yeah though, man, I had let me catch all up to speed. So from the last video, you know what I'm saying, that I posted, I was what the fuck is that? Oh, that man. I'm like, man. I thought I was finna hit something, but no, bro. It that little shit that be in the cartoon, bro. The little haystack shit. Oh, now y'all know the tumbleweed, yeah, the tumbleweed. But that's my first time seeing that, bro. I never seen that before. But look though, man, let me catch y'all up to speed, bro. So if you watch my last video and y'all watch the whole video toward the end, y'all seen like I done told y'all, caught y'all up to speed what I got going with now, you feel me? But I hit the West Coast and the Midwest for the first time the end of last year, like the last two and a half, 2 weeks of December. I hit the West Coast and I hit the Midwest, and that's on fire, you feel me? I made like little shorts and clips and reels and junk like that and posted up my other video. I mean my other social media and shit like that, you feel me? But yo though, now that I'm back on these vlogs, bro, I'm just finna just record everywhere I'm going and I'm gonna do it how I do the last video, bro. You know how I get down, you feel me? If you don't know what I'm talking about, you new to the channel, go on my channel and then watch the other videos, you see what I'm talking about though. But I'm straight vlogging the whole year, bro. My goal is I'm trying to drop like 2, 3, like I ain't know, I lie like hell, but I'm gonna at least try to drop like 2 videos. Man, I'm spinning shit. I'm gonna try to drop like 2 videos a month, you feel me? 2 videos per month. I ain't gonna drop 3 or 4, cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't feel like doing all that editing and all that extra, bro. You know what I'm talking about? But I'm gonna try to drop like 2, 3 a month. And just go from there, you feel me? And hopefully it catch on and it go and it, feel me? You travel somewhere else, you feel what I'm saying? But I'ma quit yapping, you know what I'm saying? Cause I done been talking about like 4 minutes right now. I'ma quit yapping and just record and just, like I say, bro, this year finna be, you know, we on a journey, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro, interact with me, fuck with me, talk to me. I don't be on that, you know what I'm saying, on that anti shit. Just hit me up. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see and what y'all want to know, bro. I'm trying to be more open and showing y'all the daily life type time on a little aspect. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. But other than that, man, I'm finna record the views like I do on other videos, and so y'all can see what I see. That man know I'm dropping these videos, so y'all can see what I see. So if you ain't never traveled to these certain places, you ain't never been, you can see. So you can like that how that look before you might want to take a trip to that place I done went to, you feel me? Like if you ain't never been to LA, I went to LA. I was show y'all what LA look like, shit like that. Like you know what I'm talking about. But other than that, man, I'm done yapping, bro. Now I'm going on 5 minutes. I'm finna go on here, you know, show y'all what the scene look like where I'm at. They get it. Put that sauce on that bitch. Right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take it back to school when my class thought I was a fool. I'm running up paper, playing it cool, acting, playing the fool. But really, no nigga bitch in my class can do what I can do. When I'm running up paper, pushing P's and moving how I move. Let's go, let's take it to the street. These niggas play gangsta as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, these niggas broke as fuck. They ain't really got no bucks. All they do, sit around niggas all day and acting like they tough. But if a nigga get jammed, caught in cup, it easy to call his bluff. Let's go, let's take it to the trap. I can do this shit all day. Ask my team, I'm the type of nigga to make sure we all pay. Made the wrong move, that's your ass now, nigga. I'ma make sure you get laid. I don't play when it come to my life in my motherfucking pay. Let's go, stacking racks in my safe. To my fam, we forever straight. Oh God, fuck this gon' hate. I can't let them take my place. This a marathon down the race. Slow grind DP down the shape. I'ma eat for life on straight. Till my son one call away. Let's go, let's talk about these haters. They can't fuck with me at all. I hit them all, I'm quick to ball. Fuck it, spin it all. This nigga hoe so fucking easy. This is not lemonade. That yellow. Yo, man, I done got right real fast, bro. I'm at this little truck stop, finna go grab me some smack on and refill my water jug. Feel me? Shit be high as hell when you gotta keep paying for shit, bro. You feel me? Just when you get done with your jug, go refill that bit with the water, you hear me? And yeah. And keep on about your business. Boy, it cold the fuck out this bitch though. I'm in Kansas right now. Bro. I ain't nothing out here for real. That shit just, it dry here just like Oklahoma. Like, Oklahoma ain't got nothing going either. You feel me? I just had to just show a little of the view, but I ain't shit in Kansas for real though. Like, I'm about like 5 hours away from Kansas City. Kansas City be talking about something though, but like I said, we finna walk up in that truck stop though. Hey, that's that shit I was talking about earlier, cuz. Boom, you feel me? Got my 2 water jug. Hey, y'all don't talk shit. I ain't went grocery shopping. Gotta get some grocery. Catch up packet though. But see, bro, I'm in that bitch smacking on some John Taco. Taco John? Yeah. I ain't never had this shit before. We finna dive into it and see this shit come out. I ain't know this was that big, but I got 2 tater tots. Then I got 6 soft shell. Tater tot good so far, you feel me? See what this shit talking about. Alright. Like, kind of that Taco Bell type shit. Could be more hot. Taco kind of cold. Yeah, being outside and shit. Let's see, try this shit out, man. See what they be talking about. Type shit. For sure. Yeah, man, so shit. I say the other 3 I was on dog all 6 of them hoes, but I was like, nah, let me wait till later on so I ain't gotta spend no more money. You know what I'm saying? Gotta think smarter, not harder. You feel me? So, on wait, eat that on late. And that's a good deal though, bro. I think that shit like for a family side, but it like shit. I'm a big nigga, so it like, boom, you got 6 tacos, two tater tot. Shit, just eat 6 now with the tater tot. Eat 3 with the tater tot and eat the other 3 with the tater tot later on. You ain't gotta spend no more money. And that shit cost me like $17. What? Yeah, man, I'm finna beat the slab, man. I'm finna go ahead and KC, dog. I'm gonna crank the video back up though, but the taco, I feel like Taco Bell got better taco than Taco John. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, them tater tot look like they were plain Jane and look like them bitches with 1 seed. Them bitches with season now, you know. This shit with 2 seasons now, you feel me? But yo though, like I said, I'm gonna crank the camera up when I get back in KC, bro. I rate like Taco John I rate they taco like 4, 5. The niggas just hungry. That's why I killed them bitches. Like, and it was cold. I feel like if they were hot, if they were hotter, they would have been straight. Like, that shit was like a little, like they just threw them hoes. They wrapped that bitch on, threw them hoes in the bag. But nah, though. Shit, I'm cranking that bitch back when I'm in KC.
All these problems she done had, that ain't been the best for me. So I passed that bitch off to the clan. She fucking with the bros, don't claim that she a hoe, don't understand. That's why I can never put my faith in any bitch, cause I'm the man. You would never understand. Switch the V out now, like a nigga popped out in a strike. Man, this bitch on fire. Told her, bro, can you pass me the lighter? I might just strike like, yeah, fuck this bitch, I might have to unite her. She won't spin again, like these donuts burning up these tires. I got chrome all on my body just to show I made it still. Niggas